Okay, so now you're already a member and saan ako pupunta? Okay? So, saan ako magla-login? Okay? First, you should have received welcome emails. Okay? And doon sa email na yun, nandun na lahat yung instructions. Pero just in case hindi mo nakita or wala kang access sa email mo or something, ito yung purpose ng video na to. Saan ako mag-login? Anong gagawin ko? Nagbayad na ako. I'm now a member. Okay, so I'll be sharing my screen. Ito yung gagawin natin. Of course, you have to log into your back office o yung website mo. So, ano yung website ko? Okay, i-type mo lang yung gotbackup.com. Okay, gotbackup.com. Okay, yeah, wag yung coachkiko.gotbackup. Of course, that's my referral link. Gotbackup.com. Yan na natin. Yan. I-type mo lang yan and you'll be directed to this landing page. Okay, ngayon, kailangan mo mag-login. Okay, sa upper right corner, click mo lang yung login. And dapat, natandaan mo pa yung username. Okay, itong mga accept all, i-accept mo lang yan. Okay, maghaharang yan dyan sa screen mo. So, accept all. Then, key in your username and your password na ginamit mo. Okay, which you should know. Then, you click login. Okay, so once you log in, nandiyan ka na sa iyong back office. Okay, so I'm using a cell phone because most of us are using cell phones now. Pero mas maganda pa rin if PC or laptop yung gagamitin mo para mas malaki. Itong sa cellphone, limited yung size. Okay, so dito, anong una mong gagawin? So welcome, sabi nung page, to Got Backup. So ang unang-una mong gagawin, panoorin mo yung mga videos na yan. Ayan lang naman, members area. Tinawalan ka yan. Pwede mong i-sideways yung phone mo para mas lumaki. Okay, click mo lang yan.
Hey folks, Joel Terry here, and congratulations on becoming a Got Backup member. In this video, I'm going to take through the two most important things to you.
So nagsasalita si Joel Therin, siya yung ating CEO.
Great commissions from home. So let's go through the promotional tools. You can get them from this link right here, or as you can see, if you click on digital tools, then you go to Got Backup, you go to reseller tools here as well. It brings you the same.
Okay, so what I like about our back office is everything is already there. Okay, lahat po. By the way, this company has been in existence sa affiliate marketing business for 25 years already. No? So alam na nila lahat ng kailangan ng marketers. So ang unang kailangan ng marketers ay training. Okay, so everything that you need to know is there. So ganun na siya kasimple, but kailangan mong bigyan ng oras. Okay, bali wala lahat ng training na to kung hindi mo i-train yung sarili mo. Okay, so ang una, panoorin mo yung initial video na yan, nasa harap mo mismo. Okay, at sinabi niya, i-click mo na yung dashboard, promotional tools, ano ba laman nun? Sabi mo, nasan yung link ko? Saan ko mahanap? Paano ako magpo-promote? Di ba? Nakasulat, promotional tools. I-click mo yung promotional tools, yun yung pinakita ni Joel kanina. Dadaling ka niyan sa mga tools na kailangan mo para makapag-promote. Okay? Which is ayan. Mabagal yung internet. Yan. Okay, so I'll also be creating a more detailed back office tour na Tagalog. Okay, para mas madali natin maintindihan. Okay, kasi of course si Joel, English, no? Pero okay lang, nakaintindi naman tayo, pero sometimes gusto natin Tagalog. Okay, ito ngayon yung mga links mo na pang-promote, na promotional tools. So yung pinaka nasa taas, yung ayaw pang bumukas, yan yung pinaka-common na ginagamit. Ito yung for opportunity. Yung mga kakilala mo na alam mong gustong maging affiliate marketer din, gustong magkaroon ng extra income, gusto mong mag-business, iyan ang gagamitin mo. So all you have to do is click that copy promo link. Nakikita nyo? Copy promo link. Yun. Pag-click ko, sabi niya copy. Ipi-paste mo na lang doon sa messenger niya o sa email niya o kung paano mo maipapadala. Ipi-paste mo lang. Alright, yung sa kanan naman, nakalagay dyan, this is your Got Backup retail sales page. So meaning, kung ayaw mong mag-recruit, gusto mo lang talaga, gusto lang ng friend mo, yung product, yung cloud storage, ito yan. Walang pag-uusapang dyan, opportunity. i-discuss lang niya yung security, how it works, etc. No? Copy mo lang din yan, copy promo link, i-click mo lang yon and makopy na yung, ayan, actually na-copy na. Nag-move lang kasi siya. Alright, yung nasa baba naman, nakalagay dyan, use this link to invite your prospects for our live webinars. So, halimbawa lang, may mga webinar na mangyayari, may schedule yun, makaka-receive ka rin ng email. I-click mo lang yun, nasa ilalim, copy promo link. Yung pinakailalim naman, sabi, use this link for your warm market. Okay, ito kasi yung tour. Warm market meaning mga kakilala mo na. Sabi, ano ba yan? Sure ba yan? Mga ganon. Secured ba yan? Stable ba yan? Yan, i-click mo yan. Pag warm market. Okay, and ito naman, nasa right side, nakalagay, this is for pre-enrolled campaign found. Okay. And lead generated will be found in the Got Backup pre-enrolled campaign. So we don't really use this much. Yung pangatlo na yon sa ilalim, ay yung pang-apat. So ito na lang, mag-focus lang tayo dito sa retail sales page or for email or solo ads. Yan, pwede rin yan. Anyway, pero ito talaga yung ginagamit namin. Ito yung pinakauna. Ito na, naglolo ko yung internet ko. Okay, yung pinakauna, yan yung most used and most effective. Okay, and not unless gusto mo mag-retail lang, ito yung sa katabi niya sa right. Okay, so dalawa lang ang isipin mo dyan. Yung una at yung nasa right side niya. Okay, so yun yung kailangan mong gawin. Since bago ka, explore mo muna. So ang daming tabs dyan, di ba? Yan, yun ang una-una mong gagawin. Kilalanin mo muna yung back office mo. Yan yung business mo eh. Okay, so yun ang una-una. Panoorin yung video. I-click yung mga yan. Okay, promotional tools. Got backup dashboard. Ito na actually yung dashboard mo. Then merong lead capture system. Yan, marami kang mahahanap dyan. So, click ka na lang, click familiarize yourself muna. Okay, ito yung lead capture system natin which is, kumbaga, provided na yan for free ng company. For others, you have to subscribe sa mga lead generation system. At least another $25 per month yon subscription para meron kang email marketing, mga auto follow-up. Pero dito sa Got Backup, libre na yan, kasama na yan. May kita nyo, lahat na nagpi-pre-enroll, nakikita ko, lahat ng reseller, okay, all details po, nandyan yan. Yan, pati yung campaigns, messages, subscribers, yan, magagamit natin yan. Anyway, tuturo ko rin po yung function yan lahat, pero this is used for email marketing or for your online marketing. Yan, may VIP access. Yung business, yan mo rin makikita yung pag kinlik mo yan, nandyan yung mga downlines mo. Okay. Yan, my business. Yan, nandyan yung compensation plan, commissions overview, payout history, your downlines. Yan, ano ba po? Gusto mo makita mo yung mga downlines mo. Yan. Gagawa rin po ako ng more specific video for that. Yung positioning, paano mag-position. Okay, so yan po, makikita nyo dyan, mga details. Pag may mga bago kang pumasok, dyan peso yan sa ilalim yung holding tank. May tinatawag tayong holding tank. Pero for now, wala na po kasi kakatapos lang kanina. So, naipwesto na namin. So, ito, yan, nandyan na yung tree mo. Pwede mo yan i-show my full downline tree. Napakarami yan. Okay. Yan, pwede natin i-check. Okay, so basically, ang ibig kong sabihin, since bago ka, ang unang-una mong gagawin is kilalanin mo muna yung back office. Okay, ayan po. So dyan, talagang bubukas yan yung kabuuan. Napakaraming tao niyan. Pagka marami ka na talagang naipasok, yan. Pwede mong palitin. Ito, yung 3 scale. Hindi ko maigalaw. Oh, kasi mahirap sa cellphone. Hindi magalaw yung 3 scale, no? Yung liit niya. Yan. Pero sa PC po, mas madali yan. Pwede mo siyang liitan. Actually, yung 3 scale na yun, purpose nun, para paliitin siya, pero hindi ko mapaliit. Ayaw. Okay, but anyway, ito po yung genealogy. Dito mo makikita yung nangyayari sa organization mo. And isa lang naman yung goal natin. Everybody gets 2, okay? The power of 2 lang po yung ating strategy as a team. Huwag yung isipin, dami-dami naman tao. So, lahat yan, kailangan kong magkaroon ng ganyan. No, kailangan mo na lang dalawa. Left and right. And everybody gets 2. And lalaki yan. Dahil doon sa everybody gets 2. Lahat hahanap ng tag-dalawa. And magugulat ka na lang. Libo-libo, daan-libo, o milyon na yun nandiyo sa ilalim mo. Okay, because of that, everybody gets 2. And of course, as everybody pays their subscription, their membership every month, because you're subscribed to our 6 terabyte cloud storage, everybody earns. Okay, so masaya, di ba? Okay, so ito yung genealogy. And yeah, so basically, yun lang yung goal mo ngayon. Since you're new, aralin mo muna. Okay, ngayon, kahit ngayong araw. Ang pinakamahalaga sa iyo ngayon is ma-familiarize sa back office mo at alam mo kung nasaan yung referral link mo, which is pinakita ko kanina. Kasi baka gusto mo na mag-share sa mga kaibigan mo. So yung link na yon ang iyong ibibigay. Alright, so again, maraming salamat and magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod na video. God bless.